Give me 1 minute to reveal to you a natural secret that will help your tomatoes recover from drought faster than you think. If your leaves are wilting, your plant seems to be losing strength, and your fruits are getting smaller, don't panic. There is a solution that uses the power of fermentation and is recommended by experienced gardeners. One ingredient changes everything, and I bet you already have it in your kitchen. It's ordinary yeast, but only if you use it the way we suggest. Yes, yeast is a real bomb of beneficial microorganisms that regenerate roots, stimulate flowering and strengthen the plant's immunity, especially after heat stress and drought. Take 1 tablespoon of dry yeast, add 1 tablespoon of sugar, and dissolve it all in 5 liters of lukewarm water. Leave it to ferment for 2 hours, then water the tomatoes directly at the root, but only in the evening, when the sun has set. You will see how the plant recovers after just a few days. The leaves tighten, the color becomes more intense, and new fruits begin to grow at an incredible speed. If you found this tip useful, leave a comment. Yeast saves tomatoes. And don't forget to share this video with someone whose plants are suffering from drought. Let's help them too. Click like, subscribe for more natural tricks, and may your garden be full of life this year.